Introducing this adorable toddler girl outfit, crafted with care from a high quality cotton blend fabric designed for comfort and style. This outfit is perfect for a little one to wear all day long. This is made from a breathable and soft cotton blend. It's not only comfortable but also durable, ensuring it can withstand active playtime and frequent washing. This chic top pairs beautifully with the stylish floral pants, making this outfit an ideal choice for the fall and winter seasons. Your baby girl will look absolutely adorable in this trendy ensemble. Whether it's for casual daily wear, a special occasion, or even a photo shoot, this versatile outfit is perfect for any event. It's easy to dress up or down, making it a wardrobe staple for a toddler. Each package includes a pair of floral pants, a long sleeve top, and a matching headband, everything you need to complete your little one's outfit. This set also makes an ideal gift. So give your little girl the comfort and style she deserves with this adorable toddler outfit. Made with love and care, it's the perfect addition to her wardrobe. Thanks for watching.